students, today we will continue our reading. Okay, so this is your content book, students. Open page number 27. Okay, so today we will start our reading from this. Air takes up space. It means air also takes up a space, like when I am putting a pencil on the book, then this pencil takes a space. Here we will not keep anything. Same way air also have space. Okay, but before starting our reading, let's revise what we studied in the last class. In the last class we studied about air. Air is everywhere. Air is all around us. Air is everywhere. So, let's revise our riddle which can explain the air, like I am here, I am there, I am everywhere. You cannot see, but you can feel me. So, I am air. मैं इधर भी हूँ, उधर भी हूँ. I am everywhere, but you cannot see. Only you can feel me. Okay, students. So air is everywhere, present inside a room, outside a room, in the playground, in the kitchen. Okay, everywhere. Then today we are studying about, or today we will study about the air is also taking up a space, means air also need space. Okay, so read with me. When we blow into a balloon, when we blow air into a balloon, air takes up space inside the balloon and making it bigger, like I have this, yes, balloon. When I am blowing air in the balloon, then what will happen? You have to do this activity at your home also. Okay, okay, I am blowing air into balloon. Okay, so what will happen? A balloon is increasing size and balloon is bigger. Okay, so what I am putting in balloon? Yes, I am putting air in balloon. It means air also takes a space. Okay, students, like when we are putting our books on the table, yes, what will happen? The books take a space. Yes, same way air is also taking a space. Okay, beta. Now, second experiment I can explain you. Yes, beta. Here I draw two water tumbler. In this water tumbler, I am putting the bottle straight. Okay. नो टिल्ट इन बॉटल, मैंने बॉटल को बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट पुट किया है वाटर के अंदर. व्हाट विल हैपन? नो बबल्स आर कमिंग आउट. ओके, बट व्हेन आई एम पुटिंग द बॉटल tilt and tilt in water, what will happen? Bubbles are coming out from the, yes, bottle. Why? Because bottle also have air. Okay, and in water the air of bottle is coming out in the form of bubbles, and in this picture air is not coming out because we put the bottle straight and there is no bubbles coming out. Okay, students, so a blank bottle or empty bottle also have air. Okay, students, like in this picture a boy is blowing air in balloon. Okay, so read this page. We will meet in the next class. Bye, take care.